What did you just eat?
Nana.
You just ate Nana? What? Or did you eat a snack?
Baba.
You ate Papa? What? You ate Nana and Papa?
Nana, Baba.
You did? Did they cry? No? Did they say, Layton, please don't eat me? No? Is that what they said? Please don't eat me for lunch?
Baba.
Well, what are you going to eat next? Huh? If you've already eaten Nana and Papa, what else are you going to eat?
Hey, Baba.
All right. Wash them down with some ice, Wawa.
Hey, Baba. Mama.
Yes, sir. Drink your ice, Wawa. Did you have a good day at the museum? Did you? Did you feed the squirrels and the birds? You did, didn't you? Did you feed them your lunch? And so you had to come home and eat? Is that funny? That squirrel was about ready to run up your leg to get your food. Yeah, it's true. You had fun, didn't you? What are you going to do now? You're funny. Don't you bite me. Oh no, don't eat your mom for lunch. You've already eaten your grandparents. Oh no, you don't do that. Oh no, you can kiss Mama's hand. Give Mama's hand a kiss. Oh, say mwah. Kiss Mama's hand. That's how you charm the ladies right there. Kiss their hand. Bye-bye. You want to say bye-bye? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.